Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It's me, Priscilla Bodie. What's good? What's really good? So today's gonna be a really special vlog for you guys. Yes, I'm vlogging today. Ew. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, or like I made like a post here, like a little post. I'm starting a clothing line called poshstyleslabel. And today I have my photo shoot to take a picture of my clothes, and I'm gonna have some models, just a few models model my clothes for me. But first I'm going to my friend's Bridget, my fellow CEO of the Sarah collection. She has lashes, she has toolkits, and she has many things coming. So we're going to her pop-up shop today. So you guys are gonna follow me along to that as well. So first is that, and then I'm gonna stay for a little bit, and then we're gonna be on our way to the studio to take pictures. And yeah, let's get this day on and popping, because today is very exciting. It looks really bad outside. It looks cloudy. The sun that I wanted for natural lighting is gone, but we still get things done, and things is just on and popping today. So join me today, and yeah, I'm so excited for today, guys. Poshstyleslabel coming to you soon. It'll be out September 20th this month, which is like a week and a day flat. Ooh, okay. All right, guys. See you soon.
Girls, these are pop out. These are not a 25mm, but they are voluminous. And then these are royalty. And then I just launched these. These are 25mm. These are called when you step in the room. And then on top of everything, not to overwhelm you, but we do have tool sets as well that are custom. And everything is on sale today. Usually these go for $11 and these are $15, but these are $9.99.
Hi guys, I'm back. As you can see, I'm at the pop-up shop with my girl, the CEO of Sarah Collection.
You already know the vibe.
Look at the mask. Look at the mask. Look
Custom
at the mask.
branding, okay?
Period. We love a branding, okay? I'm gonna put all the information in my description box where you can shop. She has a new launch called 25mm's. These are royalty. I have these on my eyes right now. These are on chill. I love this. This is Majesty, and that's pop out. All right. BRB. I'm gonna get things situated, and I'll be back. Just at the pop-up shop for the Sarah collection for my girl Bridget's lashes. I'll put her info in my description box. Like I said, go ahead and shop, and yeah, tell her I sent you. Well, I don't know how you're gonna say that, but tell her I sent you somewhere somehow, and follow her Instagram handles. I put all that in my description box. Anyways, I'm on the way to the photo shoot now. Just driving. The drive is like 50 minutes long. I don't understand. I think there's traffic or something, but I'm gonna be a little bit late, and I don't like that, but what can I do? It's my fault, for real. So, but yeah, we're on the way to take some pictures. Here. All right, I'm at photo shoot, and we's on and popping. Look at what's going on. Oh, love it. Love it. Native shutters. Period. Woo! Oh, this looks amazing. I'm so excited, guys. Like, seeing it on people is so different. Like, okay, BRB.
I'ma be in a mess. I'm just in the background, you know. Update. I'm literally so happy with how everything is going. So happy, everything's going well. Ew. So we're done with the photo shoot. Look at my girls. They did so good. I feel like a proud mother. It was so amazing. I'm so happy. They did like an effortless job. Happy yourselves. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Posh Style is coming out 8/20. No, not 8/20. 9/20/2020. Be on the lookout. Bye. My photo shoot is finished, like I said before, and I'm so happy. It went so well by the grace of God. Whew, that was amazing. Thank my ride, the BF. So I'm just gonna go find something to eat because I'd eat all day. And yeah, I'm so happy, y'all. I just can't wait to see the pictures and the videos and just see how everything comes together. Yeah. Okay, I'm not sure if I will come back to this, but if I don't, love you guys. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and shop my store. Shop my store, poshstyleslabel.com. Information will be in my description box. And tee up for me, y'all, please. Bye.